Hello students, welcome to e-learning class of Guru Gobind Singh Public School and Junior College Nasik. I am Mrs. Smita, your English teacher of Standard 5th. Today we are going to start second term of our academic session. In that, Unit 3, poem number 17, On the Water. Learning objectives. After watching this video, students will be able to know and understand poetic aspects, to narrate a journey in a boat, to observe the nature and express in their own way. Introduction to poem. The poem On the Water describes the wonders of nature one gets to see while boating. The poet wants us to accompany him on this trip and to see nature's beauty that is present all around. Let us see the poem number 17, On the Water. Let us recite this poem. In our little boat to glide on the water blue and wide, while the sky is smooth and bright, what could give us more delight? See the ripples how they run, twinkling brightly in the sun, while reflected we can see shadows of each hill and tree. See the lilies round and large, floating near the reedy marge, where the bulrush has its place and the heavy water mess. See the great green dragonfly and the swallow skimming by. See the fishes spring and gleam ere they splash into the stream. See the bright kingfisher too dart a gleam of green and blue. These are all around our boat on the water whilst we float. This is our poem On the Water. In this poem, poet tells us about his journey on a boat across the blue stream. The poet is trying to tell us that we should take some time out of our busy schedule and enjoy the wonders of nature. Let us see the explanation of this poem. The poet is sailing smoothly on the blue water in a little boat. The weather is good and the experience is wonderful for him. The ripples that are formed on the surface on the water in a circular pattern. The ripples twinkle brightly in the sun and clear water reflects beauty of the hills and trees around. The lilies look large and round in shape. They are floating near the water's edge with tall grasses and other plants like the bulrush. The poet further tells us about the great green dragonfly and the swallow that fly past him while he is boating. The fishes spring up from the water and splash into the stream again while their scales gleam due to the sunlight. The poet refers the bright kingfisher bird that moves quickly past him and seems like a gleam of blue and green color. Let us see the new words glossary. Glide, smooth and continuous movement. Reedy marge means water's edge where reeds or tall grasses grow thick. Bulrush, wetland grass-like plants. Before. Dart, move suddenly and rapidly. While. Skimming, to move tightly and quickly on a surface. Let us see rhyming words from this poem. Glide, wide, bright, delight, run, sun, sea, tree, large, march, place, water maze, gleam, stream, to, blue, boat and float. Let us revise what we have learned today in summary. On the water is the poet's description of his surroundings is vivid and beautiful and forms a part of the reader's imagination. The poet tells us to enjoy the flora and fauna while taking a short trip in the boat. Student, this is your assignment and or homework. Write a short essay on your own journey in a boat. For that, use the following points. These are name of the place, its special features, and the reasons why you like it. Thank you.